Hey there, Tapas here at tatlife.com. I thought you might like to be shown how to get through some of those thoughts that just grab onto you and hold you tight, and just you believe that they're true and they're really negative. So I've got one of those going on right now for me. And it's just this negative thought. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. I'm going to leave it to you to come up with your own fill in the blank. So you can fill in the blank like this: no one will ever, blah, 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 whatever. Love me the way I want to be loved, appreciate me, respect me, want to be with me, connect with my true self, value me, whatever. Just fill in the blank. No one will ever, blah, blah. And I can never have whatever in my life. So if you pick one, you can do this along with me. Otherwise, I'm going to do it for myself right now without saying what my exact blah, blah is. But yeah, it's in there. It's something that's got me. So the way I feel right now is like almost like frozen in this negative thought. Like, this is reality, this is what's true, this is never going to change. So all of those thoughts are part of what I'm putting in the pot. So you should too for yourself. I feel stuck in this. If anyone knew this, they would not want anything to do with me. That's in the pot. My back feels really kind of frozen with this, almost like liquid plastic. Yuck. So that's in the pot too. And that kind of liquid plastic that's hardened feeling is all over my body. So in case you have something like that, any kind of weird stuff you've got going on, doesn't matter what it is, just throw it in the pot. So typically you look at your thoughts. So I've just looked at my thoughts, my physical sensations I just told you, and my emotions are like kind of pissy, kind of angry, frustrated. As though I've been hurt, but have no idea who did it or why or anything. That's that kind of feeling. So that's all in the pot. Okay, so just going to do a really short TAT session with you, a shortened version, because I have work to do today. Okay, so first we do the heart pose. That's palm over the heart chakra, and make this intention. So I'm making this intention for you, me, everybody involved. This healing's on behalf of us, all our families, all our ancestors, our conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of us, all the points of view we've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who would like to benefit. And it'll happen in a way that is safe and easy. So we're doing the pose, thumb and ring finger light touch just above the upper inner corner of each eye, middle finger just above eyebrow level, midline, and the other hand base of the skull, with the hand flat down back there, and the thumb is just above the hairline. Okay. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with all of this happened. All that happened, it's over, and I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. All the origins of this are healing now. God, thank you for healing all the origins of this. All the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stuck or stored, for healing now. God, thank you for healing all the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stuck or stored. Just some comments there. I'm feeling my body starting to relax, and I'm feeling as though the plastic thing, whatever it is melted away. But there's a sense that some of what happened for me was projected in from somewhere else, as though my whole energetic field was a screen that somebody could project negative stuff into. So I'm going to say something nice for those beings involved in that projection in case that's true. So here we go. For all beings involved in any projection here, I love and accept you the way you are. I know and understand you've been doing your best in every situation. Thanks for everything you did for me. Your job here is done. Your mission is complete. Your job here is done. Your mission is complete. Your job here is done. Your mission is complete. We're making prayers and wishes that you all are uplifted to the highest, happiest, most love-filled life possible right now, and that you accept all the help that's here for you right now in getting there. Okay, so I just felt like things sort of unwound. It almost felt like there was, if you could have taken this plasticky stuff and twisted it around muscle fibers of mine. It feels like it just dissolved away. I see this sometimes. It's as though it turned into ash and just turned into these little piles of ash, like this is totally done. So I hope you're feeling better too. And now what I'm going to do is review the thought I started with and see if it still feels real to me. No one will ever no, it just seems funny to me. It makes laughter kind of come sort of like giggles coming out of my heart. Like, what a funny thing to think. It's so not true and has no bearing on who I am. So that's it. That's a short version. I hope this helps you, and you can see happier face, happier heart. Okay, there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye for now.